What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a little corner stand for your shower. This will be good if you want to clean your feet and you don't have to bend all the way down to clean your feet. You can lift your foot up to your stand and clean your feet easy, or you can just store your soap and whatever else you use. You can store it on this little corner stand right here. You know, you do have your drainage right there. All right, on the top of here, it feels like rubber. So this felt like rubber on the top, but the rest is definitely steel. As far as what's the top, what's the bottom, on the instructions, they have this as the top, okay? This will be our bottom. And as I look at it, this is just like a wire mesh. It actually looks like, not damaged, but one of the wire meshes got pinched. So I know y'all can't see it, but oh, yep, you can see it right there on the camera. So if you look at it right here, the wire mesh did get pinched right there. So, you know, what are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? So let's go ahead and put this thing together. Now, what they telling us to do is to grab our 4 poles, or 3, sorry. 3 poles right here. And you guys, this is heavy duty. This is not no little cheap toy right here. Not super heavy, but they're heavy. All right, this is in a Ziploc bag in which you need a screw in. All right, so we got our 3 screws right here. Now, what are they telling us to screw? All right, take any C bracket and install the lower bracket A using the F long screw and D installation tool. All right, so it says use F. So it says use the F to do the bottoms. So as we do this, we are going to go ahead, going to put that in. Remember, guys, they said use F. What I'm going to do is just like present it. And what I mean by that is just like go ahead and pre-hand screw it in so they all can be on. And then I'll tighten them all up at once. Nice and easy, you guys. This is not bad. Actually, this is easy. All right. And gonna go ahead and put this over here. Leave that like that. And we're gonna put our last screw in. This is not bad, you guys. Not bad at all. Really easy. Ooh, yikes. All right, got that, got that, got that. All right, I don't know if I did that dent just now, but hey, dents will come. Screw the rest of this on. Now I'm gonna screw it up tight. That one's tight, that one's tight enough, and tight enough. Now what they should have did was give us another, like a little wrench tool to hold this, because there is a nut right here on the back. So if you look, there's a nut, well, can't really see it, but there's a nut right there on the back. So they should have gave us like a little wrench or something, but it is what it is. Now, what you have to do is install this on the top. And that's it, you guys. Put the screws in, call it a day. You do get boots right here for the bottom so it don't scratch your tile. And they telling us to use E short screws. So they telling us to use the short screws for the top. So we're gonna put the short screws right here on the top. And I'm sorry, I should have put the camera up a little bit more, but y'all know that I'm putting them on the top corners right here. All right, you guys, so everything is looking good right now. We're putting one in so far. About to put another one in. Okay, so they gave us an extra screw, an extra short one and an extra long one. And we are going to go ahead, tighten this up, tighten that up, and we're going to go ahead and tighten this one up. So everything here is tight, you guys. Tight, tight, and tight. And now we have our little rubber boots. And put that in. Call it a day. That's it. Very nice, you guys. Nice little corner stand. All right, it's not too big. and it's not like too small either. I will put some soaps on it so y'all can actually see. And yeah, I will show y'all some pictures. I probably will show you the pictures while I'm talking. Anyways, because y'all know I do most of the editing. So I will show y'all the pictures and everything while I'm talking. And that will be it. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.